On this 75th Indian Republic Day, BRCG introduced the core activity 1. Economic empowerment of women enhancing in a show phase. The number of SHGs from 104 we currently have to 150 during the next 3 years and enlarging the RF portfolio to ensure economic empowerment of a total of 1800 women. 2. Child right protection achieving at least 85% score for 3000 students studying in our area, encouraging them to go for higher education and career guidance to them get better jobs outside. 3. Facilitating persons with disabilities to have an inclusive life, increase the focus on facilitating persons with disabilities from the current figure of 153 to at least 300. Out of the 500 persons with physical, visual and intellectual disabilities under our coverage with the government benefits. And also getting them facilities from other philanthropic sources.